Hello, people. Welcome to Rebuild 3 Gangs of Deadsville. Now, I played Rebuild 3 before. I have a actual setup loaded. Pretty big setup, actually. Back again. Okay. But yeah. I have this little setup. But I'm gonna start a new game. I'm not a girl. Why does every game think of a girl? Not every game. Scotty Comedy, no. Let's do, Zach, Snack, Big Daddy, Zach. Oh, here's a better one. Big Daddy, Zach. There we go. Oh my goodness. Actually, I'm not fat. I don't know why this game thinks I'm fat. No offense. Police officer, priest, hobo, college student, construction worker. Gang member, politician, shop clerk, police officer. Giant map, 11 factions, coastline off. Save the Century City. I don't know what the airplanes do, but I'm gonna press start. Warning, doing large map. Okay. So yeah, basically all this is we have to survive and create the cure. And in clickbait mode, we can create the cure in one city. In a story, we can actually create the cure in multiple. We have to go through multiple cities to create one cure. Yeah, see, we create 55 buildings. And there'll be factions like the government. I don't know since when did this turn into Okay, so let me check the volume up. Okay. Kill them. I speed up time real fast, but that's just me. And we gotta reclaim the entire city. Like, the entire city. Let me say city. Big Daddy Sack. See, these guys are not a threat. So I don't mind them coming in. If they're a big threat, I would actually kind of want to kill them right now. But, well. Not a big threat as far as I know. You know, fun. And you want to have a lot of people and a good wall. Just so that way you can have it. Let's see if I did it. Yeah, that was no problem. I don't even have to defend it. I don't know how long I'm gonna be recording for. See, there's another one. Now I can recruit these people because I'll have enough food to last them. And there's like, I have materials, explosives. I get a 7 point. See how much food. We made a couple of brothers who are very cautious. very cautious brothers who we've dirty people. Big Daddy Zach. Leader and a soldier. The leader's good for like talking to factions, but we gain a lot of stuff. But we actually need to get a mart. Let's actually chop some wood down. A trader named Gustav stopped by the fort today. Between his accent and his short stature, I almost expected him to start ranting about trying to catch the moose and squirrel. The moose and squirrel. Looks like he's more interested in making profit than going after local wildlife. He's pitched his camp at a park just by our fort. He says that if we're interested in seeing what deals he has, we should send someone over to trade. Big Daddy Zach. I might. I mean, of course, I don't have anything good to trade. But yeah, I'll send the builder over. Yeah, let's just heal us two guys this morning. I feel so bad saying it like that. Don't kill me, guys, for everything they do. Nope, I'm not giving you any ammo. I'll give you some fuel, though, if you want fuel. So yeah, that's basically the game. Real quick. That door that what he flip it up there. I don't know what, so. So yeah, that's basically the game. It gets really interesting though, because there's a lot. You could like go to war with other factions later in the game, but you have to like reclaim a bunch more buildings by then to get higher stuff. Crash. We spotted transport. Actually, that wouldn't be a bad idea. Took a leader, a soldier, and a scavenger. Oh. My webcam's in the way. Or, not my webcam, my little, circle cam over here. So, yeah, like, we can get another survivor from this if... I think it's if we scavenge first, then talk to the guy. Because there's always a survivor. In my past experiences, there's always been a survivor over here. And it's not a zombie. But I think it's that this one is like... You don't check and see if it's a zombie. You scavenge first, yeah. See, you find a medkit. So we got injured person, which means we can't put anyone there. But she should heal up quick. Other than she can find any factions. Factions are a big part of this game because they can help you if you have a zombie mob. They didn't really take you over. You muscle for hire. Okay. Haven't found any factions yet, but oh, they brought us a trophy, but we don't want zombie heads. Those muscles for hire came when we got a faction, because last time I sent them over to the government and killed them all. Some of the government got overrun, and I don't see how. But anyways, we should probably take that hospital. Yeah, her energy sealed. She is a leader. Give me leaders. We need more scavengers. And the hospital's nice. Hey, you. Attack us. Nah. Because we need his mercs. So that nullifies both for it still. Not particularly need a robot here. Now we got a hospital, so if anyone gets injured, they won't die instant. They won't have to heal. Because we have a hospital already. I'll ignore it, because there's no point in that one. Yeah, you guys can't see my face. I'm in a dark room right now. We get hit with a dust storm yesterday. One, 3, 3, 7. Why don't we like the 1337 crew? Because they had screwed me over the last once. They uh-oh. That ain't good. So we're gonna take him out as quickly as possible. And as efficiently. Because this. Where? I'm missing this is their base. Why was this zombie modes? They said they also Ballard. LA 1337 crew screwed. Now they should be. Ah, yo, that's not good. This is why I need more farms. But basically, I just screwed them because they'll be overrun now. Yeah, for the next 7 days, it's gonna be pretty bad. Oh. Hang on a second, guys. I did not know I was covering it. I'll put it. Well, there's really no place to put it. I'll put it right in this. There. I think you guys might not see the, fruits. I think, yeah, the 1 through 3. They should be overrun by now, but I don't think they are. Dangerous Masked Zed. Oh, that's their farm. Let's put up a sizable attack force. To handle the rest of the 1337 crew. I mean, they're pretty weak now. Ah, it destroyed our hospital. Nice job, bozo. Get back there immediately. Guard that. Nice job, bozo. Let's just get do it. Continue on a death mission, dude. Wow, you're lucky. So that means he can't die by a... Immunity means he can't die by a zombie bite. So, no matter what the danger is, he won't die. So I can fight all the time with him. Well, here comes the last of the 133s that ever glue. Suckers. Whip John. Well, we're next on the death mission. He wasn't immune to bullets, apparently. Oh my goodness. Soldier, go there and murder. Oh, well, me, go there and murder him. Because you have a better chance. Huh. Losers. Glad to join us. I think you should both be engineers. Oh, well, when's the engineer? Yeah, that's fine. I wish that you didn't have to, but I guess it makes sense. Let's build a far. Oh wait, we need to kill more. Start killing some zombies, boys. Surprisingly enough, these are permanently posted. No. Yeah, they'll probably get the Zero riled up. That's not what I want. I want the Zed to not murder me. Reclaim. How long has this been going on for? I don't know how long this episode's been. And there's no way to check. I think I'll do 2 more days. Or 3 more days, in fact. I'll do 3 more days. So, starting day 60, I'll do 3 more days. Scavenging takes longer. Great. Okay, so starting now. I'll do it in 3 days and I'll end the episode. So at the end of day 63. Wow, it's only been a year. There's a lot of frenzy. They're in a frenzy at the Wallbire farm. There's a lot of junk around there. Or we can defend the. There's a lot of junk around here. We can use the spare building materials to set up a quick barricade. Or we can defend these walls to a time breath. They have a hard time making it past us, and they'll have to do it over dead bodies. Time breath. Yep. I was on a mob attack. And we have reached day 64. So on that note, I will end this episode right here. So thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Rebuild 3 GDV. If you guys enjoyed, please, do something. Bonk the like button, smash it with your face, hit it with your nose, whatever everyone else says. Just also, if you're new, please hit the subscribe. I need to. I'm sorry, not bad. I'm worse than Sunday when he's so bleh. Like I said, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Peace. That was bad. Outro.